How's it going, Precalc guys? Today we are looking at. Ooh, holy smokes, that went wrong. We're looking at 4.1 of B. Okay, arc length formula, degree measure. Oh my goodness, 4.1B. I'll take 2 for that, guys. That's crazy bad. So, if you have a central angle in a circle, the radius r in theta is measured in radians. Then the length s of the intercepted arc is given by length of the side equals your radius times theta. What they're talking about is if you have a piece of pizza, okay, and this is theta, and you know the radius is r, then this length right here is r times theta. Okay? So suppose Pac-Man's mouth. What's wrong? Suppose you knew someone named Pac-Man. Let's draw Pac-Man. Wrong color. Okay, suppose there's a Pac-Man, right? And like this. Okay. Okay, so we have a Pac-Man, right? One last thing for fun. Yes. Okay. In Pac-Man, his mouth measures at pi over 3 radians. And the radius is 7 millimeters. So how do we find the arc length of his mouth from here to here? Well, you go 7 times pi over 3, which is 7 pi over 3, which he would like to eat 7 pies, I guarantee it. Which, according to my calculations, is around. Why do I always hit control? I have to go grab my note. I'm back. Which, according to my calculation, about 7.33 millimeters. That's how big the ghost could be. Here's your trivia question. What's the name of the ghost? There's a bunch of them. There's 4 of them. Okay, first one to give me the answer wins. Okay, another formula. Arc length formula for degree measure. If theta is a central angle in a circle with radius r, and theta is measured in degrees, then the length s of the intercepted arc is given by pi times your radius times theta divided by 180. Because 2 pi r gives you your circumference, right? Circumference divided by 360 times theta is actually what it is. Okay, so let's take a look at Miss Pac-Man. Just want to cheat here for a second. Oh, computer. Why are you so slow? What just happened? What just happened, guys? Miss Pac-Man, your mouth is gone. I'll just draw one in real quick. Okay, so this is Miss Pac-Man, right? She has a bow on top. I know it's Miss Pac-Man. Okay. Her mouth is 60 degrees. Okay. What is this arc length? So, I plug in 60 degrees times my pi times my radius, which is 6 millimeters for her, she's a little bit smaller, and divide that all by 180. Okay. We kind of cancel this out right now to make it a little bit easier. 1, 3. So we get 6 pi over 3, which is also equal to 2 pi. Okay, and everyone knows 2 pi is approximately 6.28 millimeters. About. Okay, that's all there is to it, guys. We got one more problem, and we're going to call it a day. While using satellites, NASA discovered that a 35-degree arc on a new planet was 30,456 miles in size. What's the radius and diameter of the new planet? Okay, so they found a new planet. They sent a satellite up. Beep beep. I don't know what a satellite looked like, a wing or something. And they said that it was 35 degrees. This thing was 3, 4, 5, 6 miles. Okay, so now we gotta find the radius. Like, we want to get to the core. So we set up that length, our arc length, equals our degree measure times pi r all over 180, right? So multiply both sides by 180. Right, so you get 62280, right? Equals 35. 35, I said, not 30 pi. 35 pi r. Now we're going to divide both sides by 35 pi. Remember, pi is just a number, guys. Not something delicious we eat. Okay. And when I plug that into my handy dandy calculator, this is 5657.55 equals your radius. That's miles. So that means your diameter, guys, remember this? You double it. Okay? So your diameter is 11315.1 miles. Okay? That's actually all I have for today. Expect some story problems. I'm going to make you think.